Mountains rise, valleys deep, nature's secrets they do keep. You clothe the earth in splendor vast, from the first day to the last. Praise the maker of the sky, birds that soar, clouds that fly, waters deep, forests green, in his art beauty seen. Lions roar, doves coo, every creature looks to you. Sunrise gold, twilight's hue, all declare the wonders of you. Winds that whisper, seas that roar, land and sky forevermore. All in rhythm, all in tune, underneath the sun and moon. Nature's hymn loud and clear, in every sound you are near. Mountains tall, rivers wide, in your hands they all reside. May my song join the earth, celebrating creation's birth.